Sinagot ni OPAPRO Secretary Carlito Galvez Jr. ang tanong ni Senator Loren Legarda hinggil sa decommissioning process sa ginanap na Senate Finance Committee budget hearing ngayong araw. Mula sa projected 40,145 combatants at 7,000 na mga armas, 26,000 combatants at 4,625 firearms ang na-decommission pa mula Phase 1 hanggang Phase 3. Sinuspindi na ng MILF ang susunod na final phase ng decommissioning para sa 14,000 combatants at 2,450 firearms dahil sa hindi naipatupad ng mga pangako at kakulangan sa sinseridad mula sa gobyerno ayon sa senador. Narito ang pahayag ni Secretary Carlito Galvez Jr.
Out of the projected 40,145 combatants and 7,000 firearms, only 26,000 combatants and 4,625 firearms have been decommissioned across phases 1 to 3. And the MILF has suspended the final phase covering 14,000 combatants and 2,450 firearms, citing unmet commitments, lack of sincerity and commitment from the government, and kulang daw sa socio-economic and reintegration tracks. Could you kindly tell us, because we've supported it in terms of funding, hindi naman nagkulang dyan. So we'd like to know, how is the OPAPRO addressing the suspension declared by the MILF, and what steps must we do to demonstrate sincerity and substantial compliance so that the remaining combatants and firearms may finally undergo decommissioning?
Number one, ma'am, is the creation of the transitional justice. Once it is created, I believe it will create a lot of confidence building to the MILF. The panel has been longing for this for a long, long time. And I believe that is one point that we need to know. We need to really show to the MILF and the MNLF, because it's not only the MILF that will be benefited from this. It is the whole Bangsamoro that will be benefited from this.